Sawadee Welcome to the Network for the Development of Agriculture Cooperated in Asia and the Pacific. NEDED was started in 1991 by UNFAO, ICA, UNILO on the recommendations of 1990 ICA Regional Conference of Cooperative Ministers. Memberships of NEDED can be from Asia, the Pacific, and its wider associated regions. NEDED members can be from anywhere in the world. Why regions activities are needed include trainings, seminars, workshops, study, research for the promotions of agriculture and aligned sector cooperatives. NEDED Training Center encountering different classroom and online programs. NEDED website is www.nedac.info. Please visit, subscribe, and like our official NEDED YouTube channel. Thank you. Sawadee Krap. I'm Joy Min Ding. I'm a consultant in Network for the Development of Agriculture Cooperated in Asia and the Pacific. Welcome to NEDED's video. I present special videos on General Assembly Session 2018 of NEDED held in New Delhi, India. Our website is www.nedac.info. You can enjoy the videos on NEDED official YouTube channel or on Facebook NEDACHO. Best wishes.
सामान्य सभा सत्र 2018 में स्वागत है, हार्दिक अभिनंदन है. Esteemed delegates, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. I, on behalf of Managing Director, National Cooperative Development Corporation, as Chairman of Network for the Development of Agriculture Cooperatives in Asia and the Pacific, popularly known amongst us as NEDAC, wish to extend a very warm welcome to all the esteemed delegates and guests. We are indeed delighted and honored here in NCDC to host the General Assembly Session 2018 of NEDAC during 15th and 16th November in India. To hold this General Assembly Session of NEDAC is a privilege and reaffirmation of our commitment to spearhead and nurture agriculture cooperatives which are key to farmers' prosperity and rural development in all countries of Asia and Pacific. To begin with, I would request Shri Sandeep Kumar Naik, Chairman NEDAC and Managing Director NCDC, to kindly welcome and felicitate the chief guest of today's inaugural function of NEDAC's General Assembly 2018, Shri Purushottam K. Rupalaji, Honorable Federal Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, by presenting a shawl, which is a memento from us as a mark of respect and honor to him. We have the pleasure of having with us Mr. Orlando R. Ravanera, Co-Chairman NEDAC and the Chairman of Cooperative Development Authority Philippines. I would request Managing Director NCDC to kindly welcome him also. Now I would request very humbly Honorable Shri Purushottam K. Rupalaji to kindly speak few words of inspiration and advice and also inaugurate the 2 days long General Assembly Session of NEDAC 2018.
Very good morning to you all. General Assembly session of Network for Development of Agriculture Cooperative in Asia and Pacific, NEDAC, on 15th and 16th November 2018. Shri Sandeep Kumar Nayak, Managing Director, NCDC, and the current Chairman of NEDAC, Mr. Oraldo R. Ravindra from Philippines, and Co-Chairman, Honorable Members of NEDAC, distinguished guests, delegates from member countries, senior cooperatives leaders, and dignitaries, member of press, my colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you all Happy New Year. In India, we celebrating New Year. I am delighted to be with you today on the occasion of General Assembly of Network of Development of Agriculture Cooperatives in Asia and Pacific being held here in New Delhi for next 2 days. I am given to understand that NEDAC is an unique organization encompassing mix of government and non-government organizations created by FAO for synergizing policies and programs of government and cooperative institutions at country level, as well as for better technical competence, priorities of effort of food and agriculture organizations, International Labour Organization, United Nations Development Programme, UNDP International Cooperative Alliance, ICA, for sustainable agriculture development and poverty elevation through agriculture cooperatives and support food security and livelihood of small and marginal farmers. NEDAC has now 22 members from various sectors representing agriculture, fishery, livestock, agro-processing, storage and agri-credit banking. Agriculture remains mainstay on Indian economy. Agriculture and allied sectors have a crucial role in ensuring food security, reducing poverty and sustaining growth in India. To improve productivity in agriculture, the government has been focusing on critical inputs like irrigation, seeds, fertilizers and mechanization. The dynamic of agriculture growth reflects reduction in the share of crop sector, increase in share of agriculture subsections. As agriculture entails risk related to production, weather price, policy, capitalizing structural changes in the agriculture by diversifying income generating activity can mitigate the risk and sustain growth of economy. The livelihood of a large number of farm families is linked to agriculture, which in turn is dominated by small farmers who suffer serious disadvantage in terms of scale of operations. Small farm size discourage many farmers to go for diversification to fruits and vegetables due to price risk and uneconomic lot of marketing. Small size farmers are also disadvantaged in terms of bargaining power in various transactions in the input and output markets. These handicaps can be overcome by organizing farmers under institutional mechanism like cooperatives and farm producer organizations. Yet cooperatives have exhibited better from of success stories to enhance production and better return to product produced from market through collective actions. Releasing the need to enhance the farmers' income to address agrarian distress and promote farmers' welfare, Honorable Prime Minister of India has embarked on a mission for doubling farmers' income by 2022. Cooperatives being effective institutions touching all spheres of economic activities, especially in agriculture and rural development, have a special role to play in fulfilling the Honorable Prime Minister's vision. Here I would like to mention that the Government of India is determined and has substantive plan in this regard, which are improvement in productivity, resource use efficiency or saving in cost of production, increase in cropping intensity, diversification towards high value crops. The sources outside agriculture include shifting cultivators from farm to non-farm occupations, improvement in terms of trade for farmers or real price received by farmers, to supplement the effort of government in enhancing the farm income and to ensure food security and livelihood of small and marginal farmers, as also to attract investment to agriculture sector. The government has taken initiative to address the following issues: policy and governance reforms, agriculture trade policy and export promotion, market structure and marketing efficiency, value chain and supply chain management, science and technology and startup in agriculture, sustainable and equitable development and efficient delivery of services. Alliance ICA for Sustainable Agriculture and Rural Development and Poverty Alleviation through agriculture cooperatives and support food security and livelihood of small and marginal farmers. NADEC has now, capital investment and institutional credit for farmers, promotion of livestock, dairy and poultry fisheries as an engine of growth. National Cooperative Development Corporation NCDC, which is currently the chairman of NADEC, is an apex developmental financial institution engaged exclusively for the cooperative sector, has embarked on an ambitious initiative, Sahakar 22, for helping double farmers' income. As a part of this initiative, NCDC would focus on 222 districts, 222 districts, promote information technology enabled primary agriculture credit cooperatives, societies and other cooperatives as resource centers and build necessary infrastructure. It will also bring East and Northeast cooperatives under Focus 2022, help in creating center of excellence to market through cooperatives and for capacity building. I am glad to know that NCDC is also focusing on development of aspirational districts identified by Niti Aayog through cooperatives. I hope the member countries will share their success stories and suggest ways and means for accomplishing the goal of NADEC in promoting agriculture and rural development. On behalf of the Federal Government of India, I reiterate our support to NADEC. I wish the General Assembly a grand success. Thank you all.
थैंक यू
थोड़ा सा मुस्कुरा देना.
यस स्माइल देखिएगा सर.